Adeline with the company Blue Orange Games. Today we're Monday, June 15th, and it's the day of our third draw for the YamSlam Guru contest. And it's a kind of a special contest today as we are the Astra convention and we're doing this draw in direct live here at the Astra show. So today the YamSlam question for the Guru contest is: what is the highest chip value in YamSlam? So we're gonna call and draw right now someone. So I'm gonna press here on my computer. So the first friend we're gonna call is Linda Wright. She's with Guru number 531. So let's see the phone number.
A tornado a day from last week.
It has. Yeah.
So it's a different phone today, different context. So we're calling Linda Wright.
That's the only thing I'm sucking. Yeah. It's impossible to see. It's really
Do you know how to put the...
So I'm doing that, but I'm parlaying that into Chicago.
It's ringing. Suspense. Is Linda here?
They're doing a terrific job.
No. Next. So I don't start over again?
Yeah.
And that's fine.
So refresh the computer. And the next person we're gonna call is Matt Smooker. He's with the Guru number 19. And the store is Lehman's Hardware. So 6323. So we're calling Matt Smooker, and he's with the Guru number 819 and the store Lehman's Hardware. Let's see if Matt is available and if he has the answer to the YamSlam question. Ringing. Again, the YamSlam question: what is the highest chip value in YamSlam? Easy question this week. Yes, hi Matt, it's Adeline with the company Blue Orange Games, the maker of the game YamSlam. Matt? The game YamSlam?
Yeah.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Very, very well. Have you played the game YamSlam? Yeah, so I have a question for you. Maybe you're gonna win a laptop. Are you ready for the question?
I am ready.
So, what is the highest chip value in YamSlam? What is the highest chip value in YamSlam?
50 points.
Yeah! We have a winner! So, congratulations! You have won a mini Dell netbook. So, your guru is Gloria Miller, that's right? And so, both of you have won a mini Dell netbook.
Oh, wow.
Yeah! Congratulations!
I think it's so winning.
So, did you have fun with the YamSlam game?
I did. That game was awesome.
Oh, awesome. It's very nice to hear. Well, we're gonna go ahead and contact the new guru this week, and we'll send you 2 laptops. And congratulations again for the contest.
All right, thank you very much.
Have a beautiful